Hi friends, Kuntala here. Today I am showing you very quick easy recipe of coffee coconut jelly sweet, which is very healthy, oil free, butter free and refined flour free. In this recipe, the ingredient agar agar is very important. Agar agar is derived from seaweed red algae, which is totally vegetarian. Let us see how to make this healthy jelly sweet. Agar agar powder, rock candy sugar powder, coffee powder and 300 ml water. Pour the water in pan and heat the pan. I used this agar agar powder. I have given its link of Amazon in the description box below. Add coffee powder and rock candy sugar powder to the water and let it boil. Add agar agar powder in little water and make smooth paste. Stir it properly so there would be no lumps. Add this agar agar paste to the mixture of coffee and sugar water and stir it continuously. Let it boil. Now check whether it is melted or not. If the powder particles are on the spoon, it means it is not dissolved. Now there are no particles seen on the spoon. This means it is dissolved completely. Now pour the mixture in the molds. You can use the silicone molds also. It takes around 15 minutes to set at room temperature. Prick the air bubbles with toothpick and let it rest. In the meanwhile, we will prepare for the coconut layer. Agar agar powder, rock candy sugar powder, 50 ml water and 250 ml coconut milk. Coconut milk is thick, so we add 50 ml plain water to it. Now stir it and add to the pan. Heat the pan. Now add the rock candy sugar powder. Stir it properly. Make paste of agar agar powder and add it to the mixture. Now let the mixture boil and stir it properly. And check there are no particles on the spoon. Mixture started boiling and now it is ready for the molds. Let us check the layer for pouring our coconut layer on it. See carefully. I just press on the layer and the surface of the layer doesn't stick to my finger. But it should be a bit soft and elastic underneath. Do not let it get too cold and solid or the layers will not stick together. Pour it on the coffee layer very carefully. Remove the air bubbles with toothpick and let it set for 15 minutes. It looks so tempting. No one can wait for so long to have it. Now make the glass mold upside down and just separate its edges with the sharp knife. You can either refrigerate it for 1 hour or you can have it as it is. Friends, try this recipe and press bell icon for more upcoming videos of jelly sweets. Thanks for watching and subscribing my channel.